How many times can Apple sell the same laptop before people finally stop getting excited? The latest MacBook Air M6 leaks don't sound exciting at all. Instead of bringing the big changes users have been asking for, Apple seems ready to recycle the same machine once again with only a faster chip inside. If you were expecting a fresh design, a better display, or something that actually feels new, this leak is likely going to disappoint you. Apple currently sells the MacBook Air in 13-inch and 15-inch versions with the M5 chip. When those models arrived, Apple talked a lot about performance, but almost everything else stayed the same. The design never changed, the keyboard stayed identical, and the display looked no different. The only welcome improvement was the jump to 512 GB of base storage, because 256 GB had already become too small for many users. Beyond that, it felt like Apple simply repackaged the same laptop and called it an upgrade. What makes things even worse is the price. MacBook Air models have become more expensive in many regions, and buyers are paying more without getting meaningful improvements. Apple keeps asking customers to spend premium money while giving them the same product with only small internal upgrades. At some point, that strategy starts looking more like greed than innovation. Now the focus has shifted to the MacBook Air M6, and the leaks suggest Apple is repeating the same formula yet again. Don't expect a redesigned body, slimmer bezels, a thinner chassis, or even a refreshed keyboard. Place the M6 beside the current MacBook Air, and most people probably won't even notice which one is newer. For a company that claims to lead the industry, this level of effort feels surprisingly lazy. The display story is just as frustrating. People have been waiting years for Apple to finally bring OLED technology to the MacBook Air. But once again, that upgrade appears to be missing. Better contrast, deeper blacks, and a more premium viewing experience will have to wait because Apple reportedly wants to save those features for later. Instead of rewarding loyal customers now, Apple continues stretching simple upgrades across multiple generations. The same disappointment continues with the refresh rate. Even many mid-range laptops now offer smooth 120Hz displays. Yet, Apple still refuses to bring promotion to the MacBook Air. According to current leaks, the M6 will keep the same display technology and the same standard refresh rate. That's becoming harder to justify when cheaper competitors already offer a much better visual experience. So, what is actually changing? Mostly the processor. The new M6 chip is expected to deliver better speed, improved efficiency, and stronger overall performance. Everyday work should feel faster. Multitasking will likely improve, and users coming from older Intel Macs or early M-series machines will notice a difference. But for anyone already using an M4 or M5 MacBook Air, the upgrade could feel surprisingly small. Performance should improve in both single-core and multi-core tasks, giving creators and professionals slightly faster workflows. Battery life is also expected to improve thanks to the chip's better efficiency instead of a larger battery. These are useful upgrades, but they're also the kind of improvements people expect every year. They don't make the MacBook Air M6 feel like a brand new product. Graphics performance may receive a boost if Apple increases GPU power this time, helping with video editing, creative work, and even gaming. There are also rumors that Apple will continue expanding Apple Intelligence with more AI-powered features built around the M6 chip. But software features alone cannot hide the fact that the hardware itself barely seems to be moving forward. Looking at everything together, the MacBook Air M6 feels less like a new generation and more like another excuse to sell the same laptop all over again. Apple appears comfortable making small internal improvements while ignoring the upgrades users have been requesting for years. Faster chips are great, but they cannot replace meaningful hardware innovation forever. As for pricing, Current expectations suggest the 13-inch MacBook Air M6 could start at around $1,299, while the 15-inch version with 16 GB RAM and 512 GB storage may start at approximately $1,499. If Apple sticks to its usual schedule, the MacBook Air M6 is expected to launch during spring 2027, most likely sometime in March. That's everything we know so far about the MacBook Air M6. Do you think Apple is playing it too safe? Or is another minor refresh enough for you? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.